Hey guys, Stefan here with Piano Tips, and in this video I want to show you the 5 best and most efficient warm-ups for beginners. Warming up is a crucial part of your piano practice routine. You have to make sure that you put aside 5-10 minutes, depending on how long your piano practice is, for warming up. I'm going to show you 5 exercises. These are suitable for anybody at the very beginning stage before you start playing your scales and big arpeggios. So in your first few weeks, months of piano playing, especially for small kids or adult beginners. Before I show you the 5 exercises, let me just show you a couple of body warm-ups, because we play the piano not just with our hands but with our whole body. So if there's tension anywhere, it's going to translate into your practice, into your performance. The first thing you want to do before your practice is do a couple of stretches, especially with your arms. So stretch your arms, do a couple of circles, bend forward, bend backwards. Make sure there is no tension anywhere in your upper body. And then you can do something with your fists like this, hold them really tight and then release them. Really tight and release them. And that's going to relax your fingers and get rid of any tension inside your fingers. When you did that and your stretches and you feel like your body is ready for your practice, then let's go to the piano and I show you 5 exercises that you can do anytime before any of your practice sessions. It only takes a couple of minutes for each, so it won't take too long to go through these before you start your practice. But you'll notice a big difference in your playing when you're warmed up versus when you're not warmed up. So let's start with the first exercise, the easiest one. It's going to be a 3-note scale and we're going to start on the middle C. Right hand is going to start on number 1. Left hand is going to start an octave down on the lower C, number 3. So we're only using the first 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1 finger for each note, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Left hand, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. When you play it together, and that's the whole exercise. And when you did it once, you shift up your hand just 1 note and you repeat it. Shift, 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 and you're finished. So shifting 8 times, doing a sequence of 8, 1 note higher every single time, same fingers and the same pattern. And once it goes really well, you can build up on speed. And that's exercise number 1. The second one is going to be a 5-note scale. We start again on the middle C, number 1, and 1 finger for each note. So C to G, 1 finger for each note. And the left hand starts number 5 on the lower C, and again 1 finger for each note. So we have a 5-finger position. The right hand starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand starts on 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the exact same, but this time on 5 notes, a little bit longer and harder. Hands together. And shift up the whole hand to the next note. And shift up again, and so on. Be careful to make sure that the 2 hands go down exactly together so you don't hear anything like this, where one hand is slightly late or early. You want both hands to go down exactly at the same time on both notes. Lifting the fingers and curving the fingers is going to give you a lot more flexibility and ease of playing. So let's see it in full speed. Exercise number 2. Let's go to exercise number 3. It's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do some smooth legato playing and staccato bouncy at the same time. We're coming to the same position as we were before in exercise 2, but this time we're only going to use finger 1, 3 and 5, and the same in the left hand, 5, 3 and 1. So we're missing out 2 and 4 in both hands. The right hand is going to start connecting the two notes C, E, and I jump up on the E. So not two staccato notes like this, but connecting the C to the E, 1 to the 3 and jumping up on the 3. Then doing the same with the 3 and 5, then back. So once again, connecting, jumping, and you always carry on from the note where you stopped. Left hand, same thing, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 5. And then of course, just like in the other exercises, you shift up your hand and repeat. So again, 8 sequences, 8 repetitions, 1 note higher every single time, and make sure you do your staccatos nice and bouncy. Exercise number 4 is going to be trickier again than the previous 3. We're going to come back to the same 5-finger C major position. So C and G, 1 finger for each note. C, number 1, D, 2, 3 on the E, 4 and 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to start with the right, and this exercise goes in thirds, so we're always missing out 1 note. We start C, 1, 3 on the E, 2 on the D, 4 on the F, 3 on the E, 5 on the G, 4 on the F, 2 on the D, and 1 on the C. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Left hand starts in 5, but the same pattern. 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Hands together. Lifting the fingers and keeping it very smooth. This exercise is going to give you finger independence. Let's see it in full speed. And that was exercise number 4. The last one is going to be prettier, and it has a bit more involvement with the whole body. So we start again in the C major position. And again, we're going to leave out number 2 and number 4. So just 1, 3 and 5, C, E and G. And the left hand is going to start this time. 5, 3, 1. Right hand carries on. 1, 3, 5. And the left hand finishes on the high C. So once again, you start with the left hand, 5, 3, 1, right hand smoothly continues, 1, 3, 5, and left hand, number 2, on the high C, so crossing over the hands. This one is very good for orientation on the keyboard and getting the hands to move and catch that placement instantly. With this one, if you can reach the pedal, make sure to use it. It's going to give you a much nicer, more sustained sound. So we're using the right pedal if you have 3 or 2 pedals. If you only have 1 pedal, then use that 1 pedal and press down the pedal, start. Then release the pedal, shift up 1 note, press down the pedal, release, press down the pedal, shift up to the E, and so on, 8 repetitions. So let's hear it in full speed. And that was exercise number 5. These are the 5 exercises that you can start doing before your practice session. Make sure to start really slowly, and as you build confidence and you memorize the exercises, you can start increasing your speed. If you feel like the speed is too much and you start playing unevenly or you get tension in your hands, always slow down to something more comfortable. Once you master these exercises, you can start playing them staccato, bouncy, legato, smoothly, and mix and match between the two. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more piano tips and lesson videos.